Credit cards, Pattaya Saturday night. Don't know what day it is, not number. I had a couple of drinks and I'm going to Walking Street, meet a couple of mates. It's going to be an expensive night. I don't know if I'm going to film in Walking Street or just do this quick video on a BART bus. There's Hooters. Not sure how clear the quality is at night. Doing my best. There's the beach section. Sure you want to see there. Change this section here. Looking busy a little bit. Actually, just in LK earlier was a bit quiet. It was only 6 PM, 7 PM. Let's see down here. Shopping centre. Uh-oh, we're stopping already. Looks like the traffic. You never know. If someone gets in the BART bus, I'll stop filming because I don't like filming people. You see there, the beach. A few people around Saturday night. I think next weekend's the fireworks festival. Yes. So it's going to be packed in Pattaya. With all the Bangkok people. We'll all come down and everyone else. See the Pattaya sign down there. A few on the beach sitting around. Hang on, it's a popular spot. As you get down here, it gets a bit popular, doesn't it? Beach area. Ta-da. Busy, busy. Alright, I'm getting off the bus. I'm getting busy down here. The traffic's stopping. Let's take a quick look here. Quick shaky video from Pete Joe. Sorry about the footage. That's why I don't film at night, because the cameras, it's hard to film, get the lights right, plus when you're moving. Here we are, got to get out, guys. Hooroo from Pete Joe. Stay safe. Take care. Here's Walking Street. Woo! There we are, sir. 20 baht. Keep the change. Sal baht, cup. It's okay, cup. Here we are, look at that. Trip over Pete Joe's, trip hazard everywhere. Got the Pattaya Beer Garden, Walking Street entrance. Oh, might have to cross the road. Not filming down here, there's music playing, there's lots of people. Oh there, don't get run over anyone. Alright guys, quick video. It's 8 PM, Saturday night. Stay safe, over and out. Just coming out of Walking Street, what a great night, and the Bamboo Bar is reopened after 2 years COVID. Busy little area here, all the taxis are queuing up here. Just give you a quick bonus here. Oh, there's another greenhead shop, all happening here. Shopping, people everywhere, massage, look at that. Alright, Uru from Pete Joe, don't get run over. Had a few beverages, so to speak. Look at the traffic. There's Walking Street down there. Bamboo Bar going off, playing ABBA. Uru. Over and out.